Hi, very good morning and good evening, one and all. This is GNN News. In today's topic, we are going to discuss about in the midst of the Israel-Hamas conflict, Indian naval officers have been convicted of spying on Qatar. The introduction: in a shocking development, 8 former Indian naval officers have been convicted and sentenced to death in Qatar on charges of spying for Israel. As the Israel-Hamas conflict in the Middle East continues, this verdict is of particular significance. Despite this, India plans to challenge the death penalty and has already begun the process. The background: an ex-naval officer was employed by Doha Global Technologies and Consulting Services, a private firm advising on the acquisition of advanced Italian M submarines that can escape radar detection. As suspects, these individuals have been working in Qatar for over a year when they were arrested. The allegations made by the Qatar against the naval officers are as follows. According to Qatar authorities, there is a substantial evidence suggesting that these Indian veterans were involved in spying activities on behalf of Israel. Qatar maintained its stance that sufficient evidence exists against them, despite India repeatedly seeking consular access to them and attempting to secure their release. Doubts are raised by the timing. With Hamas and Israel engaged in terrible conflict, the timing of this conviction raises doubts as to whether there are an ulterior motives. Response from India: India has swiftly responded with a determination to challenge Qatar courts' death sentences, recognizing the gravity of these convictions. A statement released by the Ministry of External Affairs expressed shock at the ruling while affirming their commitment to pursuing justice for their citizens. Legal recourse efforts: India diplomatic sources revealed that efforts are already underway within the country's diplomatic community to explore legal provisions through which these convictions can be challenged effectively. It is unclear what specific measures will be taken or how long such legal battles may last before any possible relief can be achieved. Closure of Doha Global Technologies and Consulting Services raises the following concerns. For some time now, there has been talk about closing the company that employed these Indian nationals. It has been reported that 75 Indian nationals, mostly former Navy personnel, worked there. This sudden shutdown raises concerns about their safety and raises questions regarding any potential ulterior motives. Implications for the international community: due to India's diplomatic relations with both Qatar and Israel, this case has significant international implications. It is crucial that all parties involved handle this sentence issue carefully to avoid any further deterioration. In conclusion, the conviction and death penalty handed down by Qatar courts against 8 former Indian naval officers with accused of spying for Israel has shocked India. With the aim of securing justice for its citizens, legal avenues must be explored thoroughly as the Indian nation prepares to contest the ruling. Watching this video. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.